Okay, this is Michael right here. He's our technician. He does all the fairings. Michael, turn around, say hi.
Hi.
That's Michael. He's our fairing expert. And these fairings we got from Smile Moto Fairing. And this is roughly, I think, about the fourth set we got. Every single time it's right on target and everything is perfect and it all comes together. Michael, what do you do at first? The first thing you do when you take them off, keep everything in order?
Keep everything organized, neat, in piles, pretty much in the same order that you took it off. You put it back on.
And any secrets that we need to know about or they need to know about?
Don't lose things.
Don't lose things. That's key, right? Keep everything
That's
separate.
about it. Remember where you put it.
Okay. And kind of keep things, you start on one side and go around in order. Like do you start on one side of the bike or do you just take them all off at once?
It's easier to go bottom to up.
Bottom to up. Okay.
And one side at a time, keeping everything organized and tagged.
All right. Yes, tagging is crucial. So here's where we are right now. This is the, got to take off all the clips and stuff and put them onto the new pieces. All right, Michael's project. Michael's going to get back to work and we'll check in after a little bit. Okay, Michael, tell us what you did so far.
Well, for putting the side fairings on, you would take the nice flat washer with the little lip, put the screw through it, and then you line it up on all the holes. Works out great. Let me see if I can find my Allen key again. Here it is. So you would just unscrew them. They only need to be hand tight. Any tighter and you risk breaking the plastic or chipping the paint. So it would come out like that. Just put it in the hole, line it up, screw it in, and as easy as that.
Okay, so you use those screws that came with it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, and that's what one fairing put on that Smile Moto fairing shipped. Looks like, just like that. And you did the other side, right?
Exact same way.
This side is done the exact same way. And the gas tank, what are we doing there?
There's 4 to 6 bolts underneath. Once you get all those out, this top piece will come off, and then you can replace it with the new one.
Okay. And we're working on the back section right now, right? And are we doing any prep work with these?
Not yet.
Okay, but what are you going to do when you do prep? You're
Well,
Michael's doing the cowl. What are you doing? Tell us what you're doing, Michael.
just transferring all the hardware from this to that. Gonna go to use the original hardware instead of the one that was supplied, just because everything's already here. If you didn't have it, then yeah, you would use the supplied plus the supplied pieces that come with the kit. But this way it's just easier to remember how everything goes. You take it off of this, put it directly on the same spot. Everything goes together like butter.
Like what?
Butter.
Like butter?
Like butter.
All right, good job, Michael. There's the progress so far. It's all coming together. This is the piece that you just put on,
Tail section.
the tail section.
And then always test it. Works great.
Perfect. Okay. Looking good. We are. This is Michael. Michael, how was? Did you finish it?
It's done.
It's done. You want to give it any secrets?
Not really, because then I'd be out of a job.
Okay, we'll take a look at it here. Okay, looks pretty good. All right, Michael. So what we've decided, Michael will do a professional video that he had. What year is your Gixxer?
08, 09,
08, 09. He wants
full Lucky Strike plastics.
he wants Lucky Strike plastics, and you'll have a professional installation.
Fully edited 1080. It'll be all edited and ready to go.
Maybe we can get a good deal. All right, we'll let her know, and maybe she can hook us up.
Alrighty.
Okay, so this is Michael. He's our professional installation guy, and we'll get this uploaded.